Hey everyone, this is Trainboy54 with 10 custom Trackmaster Thomas trains. Boy, what custom trains I have. Well, I'm pretty sure you remember my rocket-powered search and rescue Thomas. Yeah, I just changed the motor. Well, I'm gonna explain it to you how to make your own super fast redesigned Trackmaster Thomas motorized engine. Those were the cars that came with him anyway. That's the flatbed I detailed the buffers with black paint. I'm just gonna leave that tanker car plain for now. But here's my search and rescue diesel. You hear that? It's the same I did to the search and rescue Thomas. But like I said, I'll explain how to make your own super fast redesigned Trackmaster motorized Thomas trains. Yeah, the buffers are black on this, wagon, which it's the hook that's hooked up to. That tanker car is just gonna be plain. I'm just gonna leave it there. Well, here's my Trackmaster James. Why is he looking like that, you ask? Well, he's tired because he's been pulling a long train of trucks. Yeah, I'll just give James a test run by pulling, all those trucks. Well, here's my homemade Trackmaster model of Mickey Mouse as a Thomas and Friends character. Yeah, it's the Mickey Pez dispenser that I just got from the train show, and I think it really suits Thomas. The buffers are white, his wheels are orange, and his whole body is black. Just because his running board is red, I thought it would suit the pants that Mickey usually wears. Next is my redesigned Trackmaster Gordon with Tommy wheel conversion. I'm not really sure if you could see it, but if I, bring it up close, I just cut about that much inside my redesigned Gordon. It's pretty hard to see it, isn't it? Yeah, well, anyway, I've gave my redesigned Trackmaster Gordon Tommy wheels so that he might be able to, I just want to see how well he can go pulling the express up that slope track and across the Sodor suspension bridge in the background. So, my redesigned Talking Thomas, Percy, and James? Well, I'm pretty what did I do to these three? I'm pretty sure they can talk normal.
I'm James.
What? Whoa. Thomas sounds like James. Then why does he...
Hello, I'm Percy. Hello, I'm Thomas.
What? Thomas sounds like James, James sounds like Percy, and Percy sounds like Thomas? How does that even Oh. It's almost like an April Fool's prank on myself. How silly.
I'm no slow coach. I am a really splendid engine.
Yeah, that's what you think. Thomas or James or... Thomas sounded like James or... James's voice in Thomas's body shell? Yeah, I kind of switched their wheels, their motors, and their body shells. So I made like an early April Fool's prank on myself. Yeah, that's Thomas sounded like James, James sounded like Percy, and Percy sounded like Thomas. Now, my dad found me this Pez Woody on eBay. I just put it on my Trackmaster Ryan. Well, this is my second Trackmaster Ryan. Here's my first Trackmaster Ryan. Well, what I did to this Ryan was I painted his buffers, his lamp, and his camp roof, and the back as well. Just gave him a white rear coupling, and I even gone ahead and modified classic Trackmaster wheels on him. Well, these wheels are proper. The other wheels, these at the front, they're painted black. I thought you might like this Ryan. Anyway, my other Ryan, well, I painted yellow and the buffers black as well. And same as for the inside of the cab and the coal. I used the brown paint for the wheels and the brown banding around the boiler. So that's Woody from Toy Story as a Thomas and Friends character. The other Ryan suits Woody anyway. And finally is my other redesigned Trackmaster Gordon, only it's Sully from Monsters Inc. as a Thomas and Friends character. I'm not sure if you could see it, but these are that's the purple paint that I used to cover up the red stripes. It's the least I could do for it. And I used the piece of blue paper to cover up the number 4 on Gordon's tender. Oh, sorry about that. My chest is hurting me from lying on the pool table. So, that's my 10 custom Trackmaster Thomas trains. Plus Ryan. My first Ryan. And you all want to see giving these trains a test run? I think I will. With this camera. So let's give them all a quick test run. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.